Welcome to our video on Industry 4.0. In today's world, technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and Industry 4.0 represents the latest industrial revolution. In this video, we'll explore what Industry 4.0 is, and how it's transforming the manufacturing industry. So, what exactly is Industry 4.0? It's a term used to describe the fourth industrial revolution, where traditional manufacturing processes are being transformed by the integration of digital technologies, such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and automation. This integration creates a smart factory environment, where machines are connected to each other and to the Internet, allowing for real-time data collection and analysis, and enabling autonomous decision-making. Industry 4.0 has the potential to transform the manufacturing industry in a number of ways. For example, it can enable more efficient production processes, increase productivity, and reduce costs. It can also improve product quality and enable mass customization, where products can be tailored to individual customer needs. Let's look at some specific examples of Industry 4.0 in action. One example is predictive maintenance, where sensors are installed on machines to monitor their performance in real time. This data is analyzed using machine learning algorithms, which can predict when a machine is likely to fail. This allows for proactive maintenance, minimizing downtime and reducing maintenance costs. Another example is digital twins, which are virtual replicas of physical assets or processes. These replicas can be used for simulation and optimization, allowing for more efficient and effective decision-making. For example, a digital twin of a manufacturing plant can be used to simulate different scenarios, such as changing production schedules, and to optimize the plant's performance. Industry 4.0 is also transforming the supply chain, enabling more efficient and flexible manufacturing processes. For example, additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, can be used to produce parts on demand, reducing inventory costs and enabling mass customization. In conclusion, Industry 4.0 represents a new era of manufacturing, where digital technologies are transforming traditional manufacturing processes. It has the potential to revolutionize the industry in a number of ways, including increasing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving product quality. So, stay tuned to our channel to learn more about the latest technological advancements, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.